Hello friends, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. Today we are going to learn how to create swap partition inside Linux. So first of all, I am going to create a file. You can create any file, suppose touch swap file. Okay. Now you can see the size of this file is 0 byte. So if you see the size of swap file, this is 0 byte. Now we need a file of approx. Suppose I want to create a swap file of size 4 GB. So we can use this command dd command. Dd it's used for disk dumping. Let's clear the screen. Dd input file is equal to dev0, and then output file you can give the name of the file we have created, that is swap file. Then base size 1 MB, that is block size, and then count is equal to 4000. So 1 MB, when you transfer 1 MB data 4000 times, it will create a 4 GB file. Just press enter and wait. Within few seconds it will create a 4 GB file. Now the size of the file swap file will be 4 GB. You can check ls-lh swap file and you can see the size of this file is 4 GB. Now you can see your virtual RAM, which is swap memory. By default its swap memory is 0. Now I want to convert that swap file into that file which we have created into a swap memory, like virtual memory. First of all, format that file using mkswap swap file, and then activate swap memory using swap on command. So swap file, and now you can check it. Done. Free -m, and you can see the swap memory is now 4 GB, 3999 approx 4 GB. So in this way we have created a swap memory, and if you want to mount it permanently you have to go to this file vim etc fstab. Here you have to go to the last line and you have to make an entry. So first one is we have created the file inside the root, and the name of the file is swap file, and then the partition type is swap. We have created a swap memory, it's a swap file, and then its defaults 0 0. So this is permanently, it means even you reboot the system, that 4 GB RAM will be active. Now if you want to remove the swap memory, first of all you have to remove the file, remove this line from this command. Either remove this or delete this line or comment it this out using hash. Clear the screen, and now it's time to swap off. So you can see your RAM swap memory is 4 GB, then swap off swap file, and done. Now you can see the memory is again, swap memory is again 0 because we have removed the swap memory. And now you can delete the file rm-rf, and the file which you have created, swap file, the file has been deleted. You can cross check here, there is no swap file now. And in this way you can easily create a swap memory and you can delete a swap memory. We can create swap partition using a swap file, we can also create swap partition. It means there are two methods to create swap memories: partition method and file method. Here we have learned in this tutorial file method. In the next tutorial I will show you how you can create swap partition. So thank you for watching. Keep watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends.